Hi, welcome. Simon here. In this video, I'll be replacing battery on a Dell Inspiron 7359. So if your laptop looks something like this and the battery is not holding the charge, this video is going to walk you through from start to finish on how to replace the battery. First thing is to get Phillips screwdriver and remove all the screws here. We're going to remove the back cover. All right, once all the screws are removed, let's go ahead and open up the back cover. And the battery is located at the bottom. And again, if your trackpad is not clickable, like the left click and the right click is having hard time of clicking, more likely the battery is the problem, because when the battery is swollen, like it's swell, it would push us from the inside out, where borders the clicker. All right, the next step is to go ahead and remove the battery. All right, just lift it towards myself and up to remove it. And here is the battery model, GK5KY. I'll link it down in the description below, where you can purchase them from either Amazon or eBay. And this is my replacement battery. Let's go ahead and install them. Slide it all the way in. And that should be it. Install the back cover and have all the screws to go back in it. And if you have any question, please comment down below. And of course, you can go to our website, check out the new website that we're trying to redesign it. Any question, just go to the contact page or comment down in the description below. And the next thing you want to do is to recharge the battery. I would say plug it in for about 4 hours to 5 hours. And once it's fully charged, then you can disconnect the charger and use it normally. All right. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and bye now.